So now let's see how we can add in animations in titles inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. But first we need to go around and add in a title. So I'm just going to go around onto the project assets right here, and I'm going to go around onto the panel option and click on new item and then add in a title right here, just like this. So over here I have a title. So I'm just going to go around over here and type in, let's say for example, TutorTube over here, right here, and change out the font right here. So let's say for example Arial, just like this, and change around the size of the font as well over here. So let me just go around and increase this and then align this out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now what you can do to add in animation is go around onto animation and then simply go around and preview out an animation that you like. So you can see that this is the animation. You can simply go around and drag and drop that in. And once you do that, what happens is that the animation is applied. So let me just go around over here as well. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. So this is the animation or angular fade out right here. So let's just go around and add it in the title right here. So let's just go around over here, add this in just like this, and then what happens is that the animation is added in, as you can see. So there you go, that's the animation. So let's just go around, and if you want another animation over here, you can go around and add another animation over here just like this as well. And that is what you have right here. Another animation is added in just like this. So let's say for example you have multiple text right here. So let me just go around and add in another text right here, like keep on watching right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here and use the selection tool and keep it over here. I can go around onto animation and then add in, let's say for example, this effect right here, just like that. So let me just go around onto the beginning, and then this is what you have. So you can see that there are two animations right here. TutorTube keep on watching is there. So that is how you can go around and add in animations in titles inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.